you have like a PlayStation or something like that?
No, I don't have PlayStation. Ngihlala ne-medium, ipheke i-medium ukudla okubabayo. Mina mangazo vele pheke into ebabayo nje for no reason. Vele kubabe nje ukudla kwakho. Cause no yakhi yababa. Angazo ufuna sihlukane or ufuna senze lamfazi. Mara nje yonke into enza inokubaba nje phakathi. So lapho wedlala nabantwana bami and fanele nje ukuthatha inco sami ayifani nami man.
What did you just say? Is it because of Mazinho? That's what happens to babies. Abana Mazinho in the beginning.
But inco sami ayifani I mean that's that inco sami nje is ayikho into ethi kuye umntanami lo ngoba umhlophe nyana ngoba usexy nyana akekho umuntu osexy ekhaya umkhulumbe kangekho sexy siqale lapho mfethu inco sami man.
So tata
angeke ngithatha khona Nimrod Nimrod nosenza poet edom na yazi lapha azobra Nimrod. So Silana, as you know, the saying goes, what say? What are you talking about? By who? The saying the saying by Bob Mapena or Martin Luther King. No, the saying goes, if you can't take it anymore, don't. That's what he said on Tuesday. Can't take it anymore?
Don't.
Ngathi Nimrodi angazi futhi lento ithathapi but actually if you can't take it anymore don't.
Poetry right there.
But if you how was the kick yesterday?
It was okay, you know what I mean? I just kept going and I have to talk to Skhumba fans now. The only person you can ask Uphu Skhumba is Skhumba's wife. For those of you listening on right now on the radio, I walk into a place, I'm not married to Skhumba. And he has a life.
And that's fine, that was the one right now.
You know what I mean? Skhumba has a life. He's not my shadow.
Guys, out there, Mkhayan Mamele, do not stop what you're doing. Ask Bob, ask Skhumba, ask me, ask Khumuzo. There is no other reason why you shouldn't be asking us because we should know where our colleagues are.
Samba song is cool.
Yeah, fine, whether Samba song or not. Hey,
she's going quick on us.
No, kulu also Musima Imane and the manje enga yakhe uthi director lakithi. Uthi no Musima Imane wena. Wena into okuthile ile mfana le yana usebenzela labelungu. Into okuthile le.
What happened?
No, lo mfana ukhuluma into wrong. Uthi la mfana ibantu education beyingcono than the education esithola manje.
Really?
How puti? Kufaka Hector Peterson. Ngikhuluma lento ngelanga lesifo. Sivula manje thina la so just business cleaner manje. Sicleaner manje wabo Hector. Umuntu nakasibhedela. Yazi ufana nomuntu ozasibhedlela azobona uNto ogulayo athi akakashoni.
Wena munyasile Skhumba.
Stay wena nomntwana. Sihlele kamnandi umuntu. Yeah ibantu be right. Ngabe ngafunda kuyo leyo bantu education yana.
Sure.
Yazi le mntwana ne umusima imana ile abantwana laba yazi le mntwana abakhuluma isilungu no gogo. Granny. What is an encyclopedia? It's a what? Wazala. Sandal mfunisha eceleni kwami le nto le. Encyclopedia. Hey. Yazi yini bakuthumele wena ne? Yazi abokuphangana answer. Bakuthumele wena. Yazi levikile levikile sisihlelele kulo sisihlelele kamnandi emakhaya how
idla into ebabayo
sidla into ebabayo ngithi mina phela mfaza ngita khiyaba mfaza mina ma ascream yakhiyaba mntwana mfaza mseras no sihlukane phela ngeke baba yonke into ayila mntwana iyababa yonke into noma busuku acabuza nqonqa hey man baba something hey mfaza makuthiwa hey mfaza kuyababa basho abasho ukuthi muhle kimi basho ukuthi ayababa la mntwana ababa mina that thing uyakuthina yo baba yonke into yababa hayi angeke sihlele mfaza msidle into yibaba ngakupha iparents bathi iqashe icoach ngathi mara yini le coach awazi ibheke pho kokucala coach no talk so you look at coach encyclopedia now emotion electrical but coach ay parents siyodliwa ke lesizini uyeba goalkeeper ngapha istrikers yakugijima ngapha lihlola ka Ertugal linye sebenchini enye kubheka ama fans icamp yadliwa wena coach njena I'm not mean yiba ba mean and ba anothele coach ebusuku ngathi ubaba udede indawo anothele sizilele ebusuku ngoba vele ayivina ngidlula umkhonyana kadedi banjenga Rivorio cela ubatshele ebusuku bale surprise basathi balele nje boom sihlelele Baba nginamanga yenzeke mina lento ayenzekanga mina it was ebusuku la ngabo 11 yes cela ungitshele ukuthi uErtugale coach bye no questions asked no media briefing bamqashe ngeTwitter but Martin Ertugale coach like phuma ngi abasibuza ukuthi ayifuna leya coach ayamehlo or asiyifuna icoach njani lena
For a second there I thought you meant Tokyo has now become a soccer coach.
And so